Okay, and about lesson learns. Okay. Important for butterfly valves, especially if the valves are, but also for check valves, to respect the minimum inside diameter that the manufacturer is recommending. Okay, because these things can happen. For example, if the inside diameter of the pipe is too short, when you open the disc, if it's Halar coated, for example, you see here what happened. And once this happened, the complete valve will be ruined because the fluid will destroy the disc, and finally it will go up to the body, to the shaft, so the complete valve will be ruined.
Yeah, I mean, the requirement looks simple, but
yeah,
it
it's
happens.
very simple. There is an installation and a maintenance manual, and this is always, it's simple, but I mean, with FRP pipes, normally this won't happen. But we have seen plants with PVC pipes, sorry, that the inside diameter is too small, like this one, for example. Okay, this happened with a check valve. It could not open, actually. So the check valve, it could not open. It was really suffering. And there was cavitation, there was everything. The shaft broke, the spring broke, everything. Just because it could not get open. As simple as that. So I think it's important to follow